My name is Shubhangi Tandon. I'm working as a talent acquisition specialist at Vaco Binary Semantics. Our services include basically, data-driven services and technology-driven services. Now, data science is really on a boom right now. Data science is also required in the field of health, marketing, finance. So there was a placement drive which was conducted with these students, and the aptitude test was floated across 200 students.
If somebody is looking into the data science profession, what would your advice be towards them?
Go back to the
We have a very special guest today, Ms. Shubhangi Tandon, who is the HR specialist at Vaco Binary, and we'll be discussing about the data science domain and market in today's world. Welcome, Shubhangi. Thank you for joining us today. So to start off with, we would like to know a little bit about you.
My name is Shubhangi Tandon, and I have been a part of Vaco Binary Semantics for 2.5 years now. I am a part of talent acquisition team over here, and I'm working as a talent acquisition specialist at Vaco Binary Semantics. That is all about.
Sure, moving forward, so the audience would really like to know what Vaco Binary does and what's the presence in the market.
Okay, so Vaco Binary Semantics is an organization which provides managed services and staffing solution to the businesses worldwide. Our services include basically data-driven services and technology-driven services. So to start up with, we take care of machine learning, artificial intelligence. We are also into machine developments and all. So that is what Vaco does. So that is the overall picture of what we do over here.
So now, because we're talking about the data science domain altogether, would like to know your opinion about data science in today's world. Could you enlighten us about this?
Okay, so data science is playing a very crucial role in today's world. It helps businesses and various organizations to gather the more useful insight of the data. Also, data science helps the businesses to make better decisions. Data science is also required in the field of health, marketing, finance. So basically, I guess data science is really important these days as it is helping various technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence to make their place in the market. So definitely data science is a boon for all of us.
We are very happy to have a couple of candidates, a couple of OdinGrads placed at Vaco Binary, and would like to understand how was your experience with the entire process in hiring from Odin School.
So my experience at Odin School was absolutely amazing, especially the recruitment managers, Mr. Balachandra and Shreya. They were quite supportive and cooperative during the complete process. So it was a smooth process, and all thanks to their efforts. So there was a placement drive which was conducted with these students, and the aptitude test was floated across 200 students. Then we selected the students, those who cleared the test, and after that there were around 2 to 3 rounds of interviews. It started right from the screening test at Vaco Binary Semantics that the candidate gets shortlisted, and then we move ahead with the first round of the interview. So that is generally the HR interview along with the operations. So that is done, and after that if a candidate is required to take the second round of interview, we ask the candidate to go ahead with the second round as well. Otherwise, it is generally in the first round we get the results, and then we share an email regarding the onboarding and shortlisting of the candidate, and then we proceed further with the onboarding.
So Shubhangi, help the audience understand if somebody is looking into the data science profession as a budding data science, what would your advice be towards them in terms of interviews? How can they prepare themselves?
So data science is really a very good option to go with. If I want to give one advice to the upcoming data science candidates, I would definitely tell them to go back to the basics, because during the interview, when we sit and we interview the candidates, the first problem which we face is that the candidates they do not know about the basics of data science. So one advice which I would like to give is that the candidates should know the basics of math, stats, data science It might include your working on the technologies, for example SQL, Python. So the candidate should be aware of each and everything before sitting for the interview.
Shubhangi, it has been a pleasure interacting with you. To end up this interview, I would like to ask, what sort of advice would you like to give to somebody who is trying to transition or looking at data science as a future career?
There are companies, those who are hiring candidates, and it is really on a boom right now. Data science is really on a boom right now because there are many companies, those who are hiring data scientists, right? In every field, it is important for us to include data science, like be it even if it is into a non-technical hiring zone. So yes, definitely data science is something which, if a person is opting for in a long term, it is definitely it will pay them off. So yeah.
It's been a pleasure interacting with you, Shubhangi. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your insights about the data science market and how one can look at a growing career in data science in future. Thank you.